This here coaster is the wildest ride in Angel's backyard. Hang on! Here we go!
Together we can see it through. 'Cause you got a friend in me.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, you got a friend in me.
I'm so happy. I just can't stop singing.
Some of the folks might be a little bit smarter than I am. Bigger and stronger too. Maybe. But none of them will ever love you the way I do. Just me and you, babe. And as the years
Gosh, darling, see, that was so much fun. Please stay seated when you come to a complete stop. And grab your things and step out to your right. So long, pal.